Hello everyone, welcome to Design Gorithm. I am Shelly. We are going to model this table today. The whole process will be step by step, starting from creating the 2D geometry and then converting it to 3D. So this is going to be really interesting. Before getting started, I would like to thank you all for your love and support, due to which I have almost reached the 1000 subscribers mark. I am trying my best to explain the complicated softwares in easiest possible manner, especially for the beginners. My efforts will be highly rewarded by your subscription, likes and inspiring comments. Hope you have already subscribed my channel. Let's dive into the process and explore the method. For creating this design, you have to create a circle of 1 feet 6 inches diameter. Copy it. Change the view to southeast isometric. Create a helix by going into the draw panel. With base and top diameter 1 feet 6 inches and height 2 feet 8 inches. Draw a small rectangle and copy it. Sweep one of the rectangles onto the helix and another one on one of the circles that we created before. Now go into the top view. Move the circles that we just used on which we swept the rectangle and place it onto the top of the helix. Go into southwest isometric view. Check whether it is placed properly or not. Move it if required. Now copy it over the top of the helix with ortho mode on. Change the view to southeast isometric. Now we will model the top of table. Extrude the circle 0.5 inches. Fillet its edges with a radius of 0.2 inches, selecting both the edges. Change the view to top. Scale the tabletop a little bit and then move it over the other part of the table. Change the view to southeast isometric and see if it is placed on the right location, and if not, move it. As in my case, you can see that the top is lying on the ground, so I will move it using the gizmo. You can lock the ortho mode and turn off the O-snap if it is interfering. Scale the tabletop if required. You can assign layers to your model and apply materials later. So it was simple. I hope you will also be able to model it after watching this video. And if you find any difficulty, you can write in the comment section. I will guide you. We will continue doing modeling of furniture in my upcoming videos. So if you like my concept and want to see more, you have to give a big thumbs up by pressing the like button. And please show your support by hitting the subscribe button. And press the bell icon so that you won't miss any notifications about the upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks a lot.